Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to buy BNB on Binance application. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, at the top right, you can see search icon. You can simply tap on that. And there at the search bar, you can simply search for BNB. Now this kind of options will appear. You need to simply tap on BNB. Here now you will be to this kind of page, and there you can also see the chart. Now in order to buy it, you need to tap on buy. And here now you need to enter the amount that you want to buy. At the downside, you can see the conversion too. Now if your account is verified, you will be seeing an option to buy, and you need to tap over there and follow further process in order to buy it. But currently my account isn't verified, so I cannot buy BNB on Binance application. But this is how you can buy BNB on Binance application. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.